Welcome to CRJ 112. This week we're taking a look at Chapter 10, which explores violent crime. And really all you have to do is to watch the news and you see all kinds of examples of violence. Recently we had a shooting at Oregon Community College. Not too long ago there was a journalist that was shot on air in Virginia. And the list goes on and on. So this chapter really takes a look at what are the causes of violence and some of the various types of violence that we see in society today. It's going to take a look at violent acts that we call expressive acts, or in other words, they're ones that vent rage, anger, frustration. So there's an expression of those emotions. And then there are those that are instrumental. They're acts that are designed to help improve the financial or social position of the criminal. Now, when we talk about expressive, you could look at domestic violence as being an expressive crime. When you look at instrumental, armed robbery or murder for hire would be examples of instrumental types of crime. Now, why does violence occur? Well, there are a number of possible explanations, starting with personal traits. Maybe it's ineffective family or the way a person was brought up. Maybe there's certain evolutionary factors or what we would call human instinct. Maybe certain exposure to violence, substance abuse, firearms availability, and it could even be reflected in our cultural values and our national values. So the text also discusses different types of violent crimes, such as rape or sexual assault, murder and homicide, assault and battery, domestic violence, child abuse, robbery, hate crimes, workplace violence, stalking, and it ends with a discussion on political violence and terrorism. Now, it is important for us to gain an understanding of why people commit these different types of violent crime so that the criminal justice system can form a better response to those types of crimes, and more importantly, formulate policies and programs that help to prevent and reduce those types of crimes. And while we have seen a reduction in violent crime rates in recent years, the criminal justice system can still learn something and work to improve its ability to provide for safer communities. Now, next time we'll take a look at Chapter 11, which looks at property crimes.